nature,
Would like you to settle down because we are about to start.
Malia Zia Bethany R., Bronze Achiever Awardee with a general average of 91.64 and a conduct grade of 95. 6 stars awardee, Nature, Music, Number, Body, People, and Picture Smart. Merit awardee with 66 merit points. Most fun-loving. Zia, you are the most fun-loving in class. Your lively and joyful personality brings happiness to everyone. Your cheerful attitude is a delight. Keep being joyful. Let's give her a round of applause. Congratulations, Zia. Manguba, most eager. Rianel, you are the most eager in class. You are always enthusiastic about learning and completing tasks. Your eagerness to learn new things is commendable. Keep Achiever Awardee with a general average of 97.44 and a conduct grade of 97. 8 stars awardee, Nature, Word, Music, Number, Body, Self, People, and Picture Smart. Merit awardee with 63 merit points. You consistently show respect, politeness, and concern for others. Your kindness is a delight to everyone. Keep being considerate. Let's give her a round of applause. Congratulations, Kale. Your fairness is one of the many things we admire about you. Keep being just. Let's give her a round of applause. Congratulations, Amaris.
Show your medal.
Verso. So, Brianna Jane F. Silver Achiever Award with a general average of 95.24 and a conduct grade of 97.
Mali yata pagkakalagay
stars
nito.
awardee, Nature, Word, Music, Number, Body, Soul, People, and Picture Smart. Merit awardee with 63 merit points.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Landmark. Bumili kami sa SNR ng pizza, yung Caesar salad at saka yung fries, savory fries na siya. Tapos kaming tatlo ni Nagadwin sa sa Wendy's kasi gusto namin ng chicken. And si Zia, we're here to celebrate because
She is an achiever.
Achiever. She got the silver award. Yeah. Yeah. So sabi niya next time gusto naman daw niya gold. Ang baby ko no, gusto ng gold. Next year daw mag-gold siya. No pressure, baby.
Yeah.
What?
If you remember, I always got one,
No.
but now I finally have
Bronze, baby. Bronze awardee pala siya. I thought it's silver, but it's bronze awardee. Sorry, my mistake. So next year we will get gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or I will get silver.
Silver. Wow, baby. Kain muna tayo. Pizza.
I don't like it.
Ha?
I don't like it.
You don't like pizza? Kuya likes pizza.
I am a table.
Kung pizza. Ba't tayo parang ako?
Ayun na kasi kinakain nila.
Makadalawa at kung serve ako, busog na ako.
And we're almost home. Dito na kami sa May La Puerta. Ayan. Ganda ang itsura dito eh.